Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will implement horizontal layout and vertical layout in our Qt framework by using checkbox widgets. So I will create a new project by pressing this new button, and now I will select Qt widgets application, and then I will press this choose button, and after it I will declare a name for our project, and I will use layout. You can use any name, but I am using layout, and here I will work with qmake. And next I will show this is our class information, so I will not change any content, and this is window about translating any file, but I will keep it as it is. So I will press next, and here this is a list of some kits. You can choose any list from these given options. I will select main GW64 bit. So I will press next again. You can choose any other kit also. So I will press here finish button, and this is our project, and we are inside our project. So this is our main function, and here is our main window.h file. I will remove it because I have to create my own window in this project. So first of all, I will include some header files by using sharp include, because I have to use sharp include for including any uh, library or header file. So first of all, I will implement q h box layout. This is for horizontal layout, and next I will include here a header file by using header file, sharp include qv box layout. This is for vertically vertical layout, and next I have to use checkbox widget. You can use any other widget, but I have to use checkbox widget, so I will include with sharp include q q checkbox. I will select from options, and now I will remove these two statements that relate to main window.h file. So I will remove these two statements, and I will create my own window, and so I will use here q widget. So I will type here q widget. This is q widget, and here I have to create a pointer. So I will create pointer by using w. You can use any name instead of w, but I am using w, and here I will create this widget by using new keyword, and then I will use semicolon, and next I have to declare a title for our user interface window, and for this I will use W, and then I will set here arrow because this W is a pointer, and then I will call here set window title function, and in parentheses I will set a string that is actual a name for our user interface window. So I will type here user interface window. You can use any other string, and I am using user interface window and semicolon. And now I have to show this window, so I will use here show function by using this W pointer, and here I called this show function, and now I will test this our project, and you will see a user interface window with title user interface window string. So I will press run button, and I will wait until completing this build process, and after a small wait we can see a output that is a user interface window, and here you can see this is title of our window user interface window, and this is still empty because we have not included any widget in our user interface window. And now I will implement some 1 2 3, and I can use more checkboxes, and you can use also other widgets, but I am using here checkbox. So I will use here a pointer, and pointer name will be box1. This is a pointer, and here I will use new keyword, and then I will use again Q checkbox, and here I will use name for this checkbox. So I will set name checkbox 1. So this is checkbox, sorry, box 1. So this is our checkbox 1, and I will copy this and then I will paste it 2 times more, because I have to use 3 checkbox widgets, and here 2 and 3. So these are 3 checkboxes, and I will replace these names pointers checkbox 2 and 3, and here I will use also checkbox 2 and 3 name string, and these are our 3 checkboxes. And now I have to set its layout. First of all, I will use horizontal layout. So here I will use Q at box layout. So I will type here Q at box layout. If you have to set it vertically, then you will use QW box layout. So here I will create a pointer that is HL, I mean horizontal layout, and here I will use new keyword and then Q box layout without parenthesis, and here I used semicolon. And next I will add a widget into our horizontal layout. For this I will use here HL, and then I will set a pointer because this is pointer, so I will use here arrow, and then I will use here add widget function, and I have to add box 1. Okay, this is our box 1 that is added in horizontal layout. And next I will copy it and then I will paste it 2 times more, and this is third time. Okay, then I will modify it. This is box 2 and this is our box 3. So we added these 3 checkboxes to horizontal layout. Okay, and now I will set it to window. So I will use here W pointer that was created for our QWidget window. So here set layout, and here I will use pointer HL, okay, as an argument, and here I used semicolon. And now I will run this project, and now after a small time we can see our output, and this is our output. And you can see here that we used these 3 checkboxes. This is checkbox 1, checkbox 2 and checkbox 3. So we set these checkboxes horizontally. So you can see here that these are adjustable with any operating system. So here you can see that if I increase the size of window, then the size of these checkboxes also increase, and if I decrease the size of window, then size of these checkboxes also decreases. So this is adjustable with any operating system. I mean, this application can run on any other operating system like iOS, Linux and other. And now I will use vertical box layout because I have to set these checkboxes vertically. Okay, so I will create pointer VL, and now I will change where I used H, there I will use V. So here I changed H with V. Okay, and so I will replace this H with V, and now I will run it again, and now I have used vertical layout. So after a small wait you can see output. This is our output. Here you can see that I set these checkboxes vertically. So this is our vertical layout, and before we used horizontal layout. This was our program to implement horizontal layout and vertical layout. I hope that this was easy to understand for you. If you liked it, please share this video with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel.